Hello there Malaysia, this is Gerryko here and this is the Way the Minute production. Today is the 31st of January 2014, it's a Friday and it's 3 p.m. So I'm in this establishment that is called Burps and Giggles, and the decor of this place is very nice indeed. I've done a video on this place before in my own website, but now I'm with friends and we're going to have something to eat and something to drink as well. So it's the first day of Chinese New Year, and yeah, it's a time of gathering of family and friends as well. So this is the second review of Burps and Giggles, and my friends are definitely not around here. They have gone to, like, say, look for food and drinks as well. So this is a 360 view of one part of Burps and Giggles, and Burps and Giggles, they have the same owner as the Indulgence on what Jalan, I'm not sure, it's Jalan Tambun in Ipoh. Indulgence is a expensive restaurant, high class dining experience in Ipoh. One of them, the earlier adopters of this dining experience. So again, this is a pre-war building, and that's the main road. And to get your bearings straight, there is a New Century bookstore about there, and there's a public bank as well if you go around there on the left on this main road itself. So the facade for this place is they have a lot of plants in front there. It's near the masjid as well. So again, I can't move from this table because today there are a lot of people. So, and this section of this Burps and Giggles, this building or this section of the establishment is called, I think, Buku 35. Buku is Malay for books or book. 35 is 35. So they have a very interesting design. And afterwards, I'll be bringing you, I'll let you see on what the other designs are like. And they have some kind of burger. So in this Burps and Giggles, they are famous for their burgers as well. Designer burgers, and it looks very nice indeed actually. So this pre-war building is like, I think it's a 2-story building. They haven't used the stuff on top yet, and it's connected to the ground by this staircase here. So maybe in the future they will use it for some events. I think I interviewed them before. In the future, when this business grows, then they will utilize the space on top, definitely. Is it ours here?
Yeah, you want to see here?
See here. Thank you. So this one is the latte drink, I guess. What? Drinks? No?
Chili and chocolate. Okay, one is kids, mushroom just now. One chocolate cake, one apple juice. That's all.
What's up? My friend is a bit shy with the camera thingy. So we got the iced latte, isn't it? Iced latte. How is it? You can actually speak up, you know.
You can ask the girl next door. Next to Marilyn Monroe.
Oh, thank you very much. So you haven't drank your latte yet. Okay, try it and see.
Can I give any comment?
This is a food review. What? Okay, this is the iced latte. I've done a double take or double event with my friend here. She has the same thing. Yes, it's a she, surprisingly. So let's try this iced latte. It tastes of coffee, and there's a peanut there. I don't know what. Thanks for being a cock block.
Thanks for being a thought block.
Yeah, cock block.
What can I do to you?
Never mind.
Oh. Put the camera down, then maybe I'll move back that way. Okay?
Oh yeah, okay. So the no, it's okay. It's a good position. So the iced latte, what is it made of?
Coffee,
Coffee.
milk, ice.
Coffee, milk, and ice. Good answer. Any sugar in it?
Suppose so.
Hardly any sugar.
Okay, I don't know.
Oh, you had to add it on yourself, Is it there?
No, you need it in liquid form.
Syrup. For ice, you have to put in syrup.
Syrup. Okay. So the drink is okay. It's not bad. So excuse me, I'll be going around. So there's this new part of this establishment is I haven't seen this one before here. Yes, this is newly opened. And again, they have this type of design. Last time when you were small kids, you would like say play around. I do not know how to actually do it. Missing hopscotch. So jump, and hopefully you won't die falling down. So as usual, you can see there is Little India thereabouts. Then there's a New Century bookstore here. Then there's this musical lounge thingy, and of course we have the HSBC. I thought it was the Pew Big Bang, but it's not. It's the HSBC. And also St. Michael's is about you turn left at the end there. That's St. Michael's. So Burps and Giggles is around this one here. So I don't know whether to like cross the road or not, but I might get killed doing it. But just for your sake, I think I'll have to run. Yeah. So Burps and Giggles is this one here, starting from this one to this one to this one, and to no, not this one. This one is an optometrist. So there's made of no, actually it is this one. This one is as well. So there are 4 shop lots. And this one is the new one, and it has a very strange sign. It's not an optometrist shop at all. So I guess the Syarikat Cermin Mata Star has moved on somewhere else, and Burps and Giggles, they have already like taken over. So yep, it's a double-story pre-war building, and they haven't used anything at all upstairs. So maybe it's structurally not that safe to use, because in Indulgence or Burps and Giggles, they try to like say not put too much work into it until it's like a different beast altogether. So they want to preserve the heritage that is the pre-war buildings. Hello. How are you? Are you going to Burps and Giggles? Oh, no. Oh, apa nama? Sorry? Fateh? Oh, Fateh, how are you?
Hidayah.
Hidayah. Okay, how are you?
Hi, thank you.
Sorry?
Thank you, Sophia.
Sophia, hey, why do you have this? You're getting married, is it?
Oh, no, just for fun.
Oh, for fun.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, looks very nice. Very nice indeed. Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, bye-bye. So, here, if you go through here, this is next to the Burps and Giggles. This one will be the burger area, the kitchen of Burps and Giggles. And if you go on further down here, there will be some graffiti art here, and Marilyn Monroe, of course. Don't see any white panties, unfortunately. And there used to be a pre-war bicycle here, but it's not there anymore. So this one here will be the outside of this Burps and Giggles. If you would like to have a smoke, then this is a place to like have your drink and also your smoke as well. And they also have very old trees here. Okay, that does not seem old at all, but well, at least it's very tall. 2-story type of tallness that I'm talking about. So the buildings here is very old. And on your right, you can see there's a lot of metal separators, or I don't know what the hell you call it. There used to be an art gallery. Now it's already been like separated by this one, or cordoned off. I think they're doing some renovation. A couple of months ago, this was an art gallery. Yeah, but now it's a new building. So this place can be called the Old Town of Ipoh. Old Town. And I do not know the name of the main road there, but if you want a reference point, this road here is called the Jalan BJ. On your right, there is a restaurant, very famous. On your left, there is a restaurant as well, quite famous. And in front of you, there is a lane called the Concubine Lane. Concubine Lane is, if you look into the history of Ipoh, a long time ago, the mistresses of the rich Chinese people, they deposit their mistresses here. Actually, not deposit. Well, most of the mistresses, they live here. Yeah, back then the Chinese were rich, and now they are still rich, kinda. So when I'm talking about the restaurant that's famous, this is the one. This is restaurant Tianjun. I've done a couple of videos here, but today is the first day of Chinese New Year. It's a horse year. The chicken kai si sao fan, or shredded chicken with prawn soup and also kway teow noodles is very good. Very good indeed. It's one of the best. The soup is very sweet, very nice. And there's that kedai makanan Seng Fat that's also famous for its curry noodles. And if you go further down the road of BJ Tima, that at the end there, at the end of the road, you can see some flats there. I think this is one of the earlier flats of Ipoh, and you can see the colorful flat. This is the flat, orange and blue and green. At the end there will be that the shop that started some franchise coffee drink in packets. It's called Ipoh Old Town Coffee. So the shop at the end of this road, on the left side, that shop at the end, that's the place where that Old Town Coffee came from. But there are a lot of shops there that produces very good coffee. Just go there and have a drink. It's really nice, very nice indeed. And I think that's about it about this place here. So there will be the Kinta River. Wait, Kinta River is where? Fuck, I just don't know. Kinta River, I think it's about there. Yeah, should be there. So let's go back to Burps and Giggles.